Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to talk about AOMEI Partition Assistant Server, a professional tool designed to manage disks and partitions on Windows server systems. Let's get started. First of all, what is AOMEI Partition Assistant Server? AOMEI Partition Assistant Server is a disk and partition management software made specially for Windows Server editions. It helps server administrators manage disk space, resize partitions, and organize storage without data loss. This software is ideal for business servers and enterprise environments. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of AOMEI Partition Assistant Server. Resize and move partitions without data loss. Create, delete, format, and merge partitions. Convert MBR to GPT safely. Migrate OS to SSD or HDD. Disk and partition cloning. Supports Windows Server editions. Easy to use and stable interface. So, who can benefit most from it? AOMEI Partition Assistant Server is perfect for server administrators, small and large businesses, IT professionals and technicians, companies managing multiple servers, anyone who needs reliable server disk management. Now, one of the most common questions is it safe to use? Yes, AOMEI Partition Assistant Server is safe to use. It is developed by AOMEI, a trusted software company. The software uses advanced protection technology to ensure data safety during all disk operations. Now, how to use it? Using this software is very simple. Follow these steps. Install the software on your Windows Server system. Open it to view all disks and partitions. Select the partition you want to manage. Choose an action like resize, merge, or clone. Click Apply to confirm changes. The software completes tasks safely and efficiently. Now, if you want to unlock all premium features, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, www.ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So this was a quick overview of AOMEI Partition Assistant Server. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.